In this training course, we want to talk about and teaching a free software called ImageGlass. ImageGlass is a free and open source software for viewing images and photos. It has lots of features that we want to explain in this course. The application is very simple, light, and with an attractive graphic that you can choose any theme for that. This is very nice software that you can use it freely. Stay tuned with us for tutorials of this software. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.